Welcome back to the universe of Wake. In this tutorial, we will learn about modules. Modules in JavaScript. First, we need to learn what are the modules. Modules is a piece of code that is encapsulated in its own file. It can contain variables, functions, classes, etc. This is what is modules. Think of a module like a toolbox. Each toolbox module contains a specific tools, functions, variables that help you to complete a task. This is what is modules. Next, we need move on to the what are the types of modules. The CommonJS used primarily in Node.js explain how it is used as a required to import and module exposed to export. Like exporting show how to export a modules using a modules dot exports, and importing demonstrate how to import modules using a require, like this. Introduce the ES6 modules which are now widely used in modern JavaScripts. How to export functions, objects, variables using a export, and coming into the importing, how to import using a import. Next, we move on to the module syntax. The module syntax contain how to use default exports for a single exports from a module, like export default, multiply, like this. Next, we move on to the module loading. Coming into the module loading, dynamic imports using a import which allows loading modules conditionally or on demand. Like why we use, here we have the question for us, like why we use modules, like organizing a code. Modules is allows you to break your code into a smaller manageable files. This makes it easier to navigate and maintain. And next one is reusability. You can create a module once and use it in multiple places without rewriting the code, like this. And encapsulation. Modules can hide implementation details. Only the parts you want to expose are made available to others modules. And namespace management. Modules helps avoiding polluting and the global namespaces, reducing the risk of variable name collision, like that. What are the types of JavaScript modules, like exports and imports are the module. ES6 modules and CommonJS modules are the two important. Next, I'm showing how to create a module file. Like I'm taking one example to show how to create a module file. First, export function. I'm using export function. Add a comma b. It returns a plus b. It returns a plus b, and export the function. Export function multiply a comma b. This is the how to create module. Creating another function, it returns a into b, right? And this is the how to create a function. Like I'm creating how to create a application file named the mat.js module file. This is I'm taking one function, export function, add, and export function multiply. These are the two functions. Create a application file. Next, it how to create an application file, like import, add, multiply from mat.js. I'm showing import add comma multiply from that mat.js, right? This is the how to import the add and multiply. In this console.log, I gave 5 comma 10. Next, console.log 5 comma 10. This is the add function. This I gave a multiply. This is all about create an application file. This is all about modules in JavaScript. This is all about modules in JavaScript. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in this video. Thank you for watching.